pearl top was originally designed with a little strap to create a bow at the front to tie it up. However, after much request, my second sample used buttons and buttonholes. In this video, I will show you how to make those buttonholes from the braided cord that is the edging of the pearl top. To add buttonholes to the edging, I've first marked where I want them. And then I'm making these tiny little loops because I want just tiny little buttons, nothing crazy. The way I do that is start my braided cord like normal and then continue until I reach my marker. I am now working with 2 strands of my yarn at the same time. All right, now this is my marked stitch. So I'm going to take off my marker and I'm going to make my loop. So I'm going to insert my hook through the 2 loops like normal, insert the hook into the next one. But then instead of pulling out 2 strands, I'm only going to pull up 1 strand. Okay, and then I'll pull up 1 strand all the way. And from here, I'm going to make a chain. And I want to tighten it a little bit so that my chain loops aren't too wide because I'm using quite a large hook now. I think I made 5 in the last one. Either 4 or 5 will do for a small loop. And then you're going to insert your hook back into those 2 loops at the top. So 2 loops because I'm working with double-stranded yarn, right? And then into that previously worked stitch, and you're going to pick up both strands again and pull through everything. Now to tighten that last loop, figure out which one is the yarn that you worked with because you have 2 strands. And tighten them up. There you go. And then we continue working as normal our braided cord. And there you go. That's the little loop. This is the one I'm going to use to close my buttons.